Have you ever uploaded any video, worked so hard on the thumbnail and title, and still it barely got no views? You sit there refreshing your analytics, and then it seems that YouTube has totally forgotten your content, and you literally ask yourself, what is going on? Everybody experiences that, and it is totally normal because you want to put an effort to something and see results immediately. But here's the truth a lot of us do not realize. It is not just your title or your thumbnail that is always holding you back, like we always hear. Sometimes it is simply one overlooked SEO trick that nobody talks about. And when you finally get this trick and apply it to your video, it's literally going to push you in front of thousands and millions of viewers that you usually do not get. And listen, this is not another recycled ad tags your video advice that you usually get. What I'm about to show you is something that most YouTubers don't even know exists, let alone applying it. Stay with me to the end because I'm going to give you a practical checklist that you can actually use after this video to start seeing growth on your channel. We've all heard the usual SEO tips of put keywords in your title, write them in your description, add a few hashtags, and maybe some tags. And yes, those things actually matters. But let's be honest, if these are actually all it takes, every small YouTuber will simply have blown up. There will be nothing like a small YouTuber. The problem is this: YouTube algorithm is much more smarter than before. It doesn't just stop at your title. It scans way deeper into your content. It wants context, proofs, and signals that your video actually matches what people are searching for. Think about it this way. You're writing a book, right? And the title of that book actually matters. If the pages of the book do not actually talk about what the title is saying, people are not going to be interested. And in this case, yes, we always hear that, oh, your title and your thumbnail is what is going to make people to click. Now, before people see your title and your thumbnail to click, YouTube is going to see it first. And it is YouTube that will now push your title and your thumbnail in front of those people for them to even click. So your first judgment in this case is YouTube. So you first of all need to satisfy YouTube. And how do you satisfy YouTube? YouTube wants you to add certain things to your video to convince them enough to push the content out there to the audience. The YouTube platform is a business platform. It literally wants to give people what they are searching for. A lot of people use clickbait, and we all know this. YouTube understands that clickbait exists. And that is why before YouTube even pushes a video out there, YouTube ensures your video actually has all it takes. And this is what a lot of people don't even put into consideration. Like I said, titles and thumbnails actually matter, but what is inside the video is actually the game changer. And this is where this SEO trick comes in. And the secret is what I call deep keyword placement. Instead of only relying on the obvious SEO spots, your title, your thumbnails, your tags, your keywords, you also place it in hidden places that YouTube actually scans before pushing it out there to the public. And where are those hidden places? We are talking about your file name, your thumbnail file name. I'm not talking about thumbnail, the file name of that thumbnail. Your spoken words in that video which shows up in the transcript. Your pinned comment that actually reinforces the keywords and sparks engagement. And when all these areas point to the same thing, YouTube actually gets a crystal clear message that this video is actually what it is, and we're going to push it to more people. And guess what? The algorithm rewards that 100% signal with more search, more browse features, and more suggested. This literally means that when people are searching for a particular topic, your video is going to pop up. When they're on browse features, when they're scrolling through their homepage, your video is going to pop up. These are literally the basic places you want your videos to appear for it to become an evergreen content and for it to keep on generating views forever. Now let's start with the file name and break it down. I'm going to show you how you can actually name your files, your thumbnails, your videos, so they can actually have a name that will suggest to YouTube that this video is actually what people are searching for. When you finish making a video, you're going to see that the file name is going to be bearing something like cut.mp4 or video123.mp4, which is totally a big mistake. Like, how will YouTube actually know what this video is for? Now, YouTube actually reads your file name for you to send it to people. So if you just upload that video like that and is reading that, they're not going to do anything with it. It will just, even if of course they're going to upload it because you've uploaded it on YouTube, enough people are not going to see it. It as, let's say your video is about how to get 4,000 watch time hours in 1 week, and then you just title your file name as how to get 4,000 watch time hours in 1 week. What do you think is going to happen? enough clarity, and enough recommendation. And it's not just a video file, your thumbnail as well. So I'm going to go over to my screen right now and show you how you can actually change your file name and your thumbnail. And you actually have to do it this way before you upload it to YouTube. So let's go over to my screen right now. Let me show you how to change your video file name and your thumbnail. Okay, so what do? Head over to your phone. Head over to your phone and type on files. Okay, so this is my file. Okay. Let's click on the video session here. So let's say, for instance, I want to name this file. And let me just use my normal video so it's going to be very clear. Let's say, for instance, I use this video right here. Long press it. Click on rename. You can see what I'm talking about. You see that this one don't even have a file name at all. Okay. So you clean all of this. And then I think that video was talking about new YouTube features. New YouTube monetization features that will blow your channel fast. So you can see, let me check it again. So you can see I have literally changed that file name. So let's do another one for thumbnail. So let me look for my thumbnail. Go to file again. Look for images. So these are thumbnails I have. Let me look for thumbnail. Let me try this one. Let me see if this one doesn't have rename. Okay, this one doesn't have. Can't see. So I'll just rename it YouTube features and then save. So this is literally how you get to change your file name. By so doing, YouTube already knows that, okay, this is what this is all about, right? Now, the next thing is your caption and transcript. And this is literally the YouTube dictionary. It is actually the most powerful part. Every single video you upload on YouTube gets automatically transcribed. And this simply means that the algorithm knows word for word what you say in your video. And it simply uses that to decide if your video is relevant to a search query. If you make a video titled, how to get 1,000 subscribers in one day, and in your video you're not talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers in one day, YouTube is automatically not going to trust that video. So how will that video get views? So here's what you should do. For you to position your video very well, knowing fully well that YouTube grabs word for word what you say, anytime you're making a video, ensure you naturally pronounce the keywords in that video. For example, you're talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers very fast. As you're breaking down your points and explaining everything you're explaining, ensure the keywords 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers is literally at least 5 times in that video. And it doesn't mean you should stuff them in, just weave them in naturally. Instead of saying this trick is going to help you, simply say this trick will help you grow your channel faster in 2025. Yes, we all know that whatever you're saying is going to be transcribed automatically by YouTube. But another way you can actually do this is to input a video script manually in that transcript section. And why is this? Because a lot of times YouTube can actually make mistakes. And when YouTube makes mistake while trying to transcribe it naturally because of the way you've spoken your words or your words are not clear, it's also going to affect the recommendation. So it's actually good for you to always do that manually. Let's move to the pinned comments, which is another trick that a lot of people overlook. Most people actually think that pinned comments are just for extra links, but no, they are actually a sneaky SEO tool. YouTube literally scans comment as well. So if your pinned comments actually has all those keywords as well, it's really going to help YouTube to push your video the more. So always add pinned comments to your videos. You can simply write something like, do you want to grow your YouTube channel in 2025? Drop me a comment at the comment section and then pin it to your video. Now, let me give you a bonus tips that most people don't even use. Your playlist and your end screen. You can check my channel. You're going to see a video I talked about how to set up a playlist and how you can actually use that playlist to get a lot of views for yourself. Okay. I also talked about end screens, how you can actually get end screens to your video. And end screens are literally those videos that pop up on your video immediately your video finish playing. Instead of other people's video popping popping up, your video is going to pop up, and then your end screens and then your playlists are also going to be coming up back to back. So ensure you always add all these things in your video. Once you create that playlist, simply name it with a rich title. I explained everything in that video. Your title is going to make the algorithm to recommend you the more. Your description as well is going to make it to recommend you the more. So you seriously need that video because it's going to teach you a whole lot of things. Once your video is about to end, simply remind your viewers that the next video that is going to pop up on their screen is going to teach them something that you want them to know. So this is me saying the next video that is going to pop up on your screen will teach you how to set up a playlist and how to use it. So do well to check out that video once this one finished playing. So in summary, rename your video with false keywords. Rename your thumbnail. Naturally say your keywords multiple times in your video while you are making your video. Always upload and edit your own captions by yourself for accuracy. And don't forget to always write a pinned comment in your comment section. Then ensure you use your playlist and your end screens. If you do all of this, you're going to notice that your impressions will keep on increasing and YouTube will keep on recommending your videos to more people, and it's going to lead to a massive growth to your channel. Now here's why this works. YouTube is simply a machine that thrives on clarity. If it understands your video, it's going to be confident enough to show it to more people. Most creators only give you the surface tricks, your title, your thumbnail, your keywords. They do not talk about this deep trick that you actually need to grow far on your channel. When you actually apply all of this and then back it up with your title, your thumbnail, you are simply giving the algorithm 360 degrees. You are simply giving the algorithm 360 knowledge about what your video is, and it will help them to promote your video more to more people. So before you upload your video, ensure you name your video, ensure you name it, and also name your thumbnail as well. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're definitely going to get notified. Okay, do well to check out my affiliate videos because it will literally help you to make money online even before you get monetized on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.